Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. And tonight, as far as I'm concerned, I've got a treat for you. I really have. If you're with, you have a Thai partner, you come here, she's living with you wherever in the world, you come here, holidays, or if you have a Thai partner and you're living here with her, this she will love you for. There. Red restaurant, very difficult to find. It's literally on the side of the motorway before you come into Pattaya. I will try and find it and see if I can get a map link to it to put in. It's called Red, you'll never find it. Those that do know it, you're lucky, you're very lucky. ISAAN restaurant, ISAAN food. Live band, live music. For the kids, the children as well. They have a play area. It's very old, it's all wood, it's all made of wood. I've been here so many times. It's great food. And now it's just the right time to show, really. That's a small bar here in this area. Plenty of parking, you'll need a car to get here. We're sitting here. This is the main restaurant area. Time of year it's not too busy. It has been busy. Partners will know these songs. I've ordered the food, I'll be showing you it, I'm just showing you around first. Down ye old wooden stairs. As I say, they have a play area here, little family photographs and stuff. But a fantastic place to come for an evening. They have these little huts that you can come and 4-6 people relax, eat, listen to the music, peace and quiet away from the nutcases in Central. Over here they have a selection. I will show you. They have a nice little selection of motorbikes on display. Harley Davidsons, the old custom choppers. They have like a lounge area here also. They got a TV screen up. Nice chilling out here. It's very Thai, a lot of Thai families. Anyway, I'm climbing about round wooden stairs and walkways. But a beautiful restaurant and a large area, large place. Right, so let's go back to the table and we'll show you some food and prices. Right, this is what the ladies have ordered. Seafood shells.
Yeah, blue crab.
Blue crab with like ISAAN salad, rice. This is all they do all day, play on their fucking phones. They never stop, they never stop.
Kevin, so does Kevin.
Yeah, so do I, yeah, there's mine, it never stops. But ours is this ours just coming? Yeah, ours is just arriving. So let's get it on the table and I'll show you it. Alright, okay, this is ours, yeah. A chicken rice with salads. This is all for us, not spicy. They've also that's a spicy chicken dish. I mean, in all, we've got a table full. So let's get on with it. I'll let you know how it was. It's looking good. So, talk to you after. It's nearly all gone. Ours has gone. Alright, Brian. Alright. They're slowly devouring it. It'll take them all night, but they will finish it.
For sure.
So it was very nice, very nice. We've had a few beers. The band's been playing over there while we've been eating. It's been really nice here. So we'll have a sort out, get the bill and let you know how much it all was. Okay, so that's it all done, the food. They sort of devoured most of it. They have got a little bit to take home in a bag. Oh, sorry, I nearly dropped you. The total bill for everything for the 4 people, 1,385 baht, 350 baht each, including beer, water, music, this surrounding. Food was good. I'll give it an A+. I've got to, I'm biased. The girls are with me. Well, that's it. That's a little vlog. The Red ISAAN restaurant, Pattaya East side. I say east side, it's near Sukhumvit, but along the Bangkok A7 motorway. Difficult to find, I'll try and find it for you, put it on a map. Worth coming to. Anyway, if you like the little vlog, give me a like, share, thumbs up, whatever you like. Might be a beer, up to you. I'll see you soon. A little bit now to show you out of the vlog. A good friend of mine, Brian, Pattaya Droner. He done a terrific vlog for Loy Krathong over Matprachan Lake with the drone, with the DJI Osmo, time lapse. It's brilliant. Believe me, watch it, and there's a link to his channel in my descriptions box. Have a look, watch the vlog, subscribe to him. He's very, very good. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye bye.
Idea how much fun we could have with this thing? We can spy on everyone!
My dad said it's not for spying on people.
Butters, that's all drones are for.